Go live. There we go. That's weird. It did not come up to let me change the name. Interesting. There we go.
And while Coach gets that set up, oh, I hear an echo. A couple things, seeing this more and more lately. We do have some new members. Mics are always staying open, the same constant people. So make sure those mics get closed, especially on the new members. And then I also see video feeds popping up. So make sure your camera doesn't accidentally pop up. And if you don't mute your mic and you have a hot mic, then you end up in the waiting room. And then, we don't want to do that. But just make sure your mics are muted when you walk in the door. Thank you.
Hold on, let me switch switch to my headset. That'll kill the echo. Hold on.
Everything sounds and looks good on YouTube.
Thank you. Check, check, sound, audio, check, testing. Testing of the audio.
And now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Bear with me. Almost there. All right, let's try that now.
Tesla's going crazy right now.
There we go. Test, 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 test. Tesla's going crazy. Meaning Tesla popped. Okay, thank you. Wow, it really did. Congratulations to everybody holding Tesla, right? I've been trying to tell you. For how long? How about this, ladies and gentlemen? And I told you this last week that Tesla was only, what, $50 away from all-time high? What in the hell is that noise? I gotta go see what that noise is. Tesla is only now $10 away from all-time high, right? Less than 10 bucks. Let me go see what this is. All right, camera, freeze. Hold on, let me go check on this noise. Give me one sec.
I used to have a 420 call strike on Tesla. Sold it for about $1,000 profit, but could have been like $4,000 looking at it today. Crazy.
Wipe it out of your mind. Wipe it out of your mind.
Yep.
Makes you do
exactly.
Weird,
it's a profit. Green is green.
Yeah, makes you do weird things afterwards, and then this is an anomaly.
I know.
Yeah.
Just next time, listen to the sound of my voice, and you'll be all right.
Coach.
I said buy it at 100. I said buy it at 100. 100 was the ticket,
yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yep. Your homework pays off. Honestly, that's the lesson, right? Like, you chart it, you listen to the coach, you do the things.
That's right.
You let it work, you give it time,
and you ignore and block out all the fake news out there, right? Block all of that garbage. There's only one place to go ever.
Yeah, but it's all.
There's literally only one place to go for all of this information. I told you back then, tune off everything you guys are watching. Stop listening to the news. I mean, look at the stock markets. The stock markets, right, are just, they're raging to the upside. Do you guys see that our GDP growth is like, they're projecting 5%, which is pre-Reagan era? Have you guys seen that?
Didn't
That's
catch
a
it.
lot of climbing.
Yeah, it's one of the largest in history of how much money is pouring into America. I don't know if you guys realize that or not. It's the first time ever, and it's happened all within these last 6 months. So all this fear mongering and all this other crap, there's never been more money coming into America in history than now. Why do you think the stock markets are loving life? Why do you think Bitcoin is at 119,000 again today? I told you guys this would be the year of crypto. Remember me saying that before the year got here, right? This was last year, me telling you this, right?
Yes, I remember. Yep.
Yeah, those tariffs are going to be a problem, aren't
Yeah,
they?
these tariffs are going to they're going to completely destroy the economy, the world economy. Nobody's going to respect America anymore. Yeah.
When you write your book, Coach, when you get it done, you need to
Yes.
put in those ones like socks where you said
Yes.
it's 7 something and now
Right.
it's 36 or whatever.
Yes, it's
Unbelievable.
amazing. I absolutely love NVIDIA, right? We've called so many Carvana.
So many.
Some of these are
Yeah.
super bangers. Carvana was $6. Everybody said Carvana was going to go bankrupt and that I was an idiot because they're used car sales. I said, no. I said, they're buying every used car up. What are you talking about? They're going to own the market, right? Now look at, then what have I been saying about AI and bots? I've been telling you about robots. Robots are coming. I cannot express it enough. You need to listen to the sound of my voice. I told you robots is where the money's going to be now. Did I or did I not? I've been saying this. Right? And what is coming out of everybody's mouth now? Robots, 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 right? I'm telling you.
You called it.
gang.
You called it.
Yes. I'm
And we're
always-
witnesses.
We're always watching. We're always watching. Forever and always, right? What did I say was coming next, right? I said the glasses technology is going to be huge instead of our regular AR, VR. I said it's going to go to glasses. And then what was announced? Meta Ray-Ban displays. Guess what got sold out the same day it came out? Meta Ray-Ban displays. All sold out everywhere. I'm telling you. Listen to the sound of my voice. I follow, I buy, I test, I review, I go over every product every time before it happens. I know what's coming next. It's been my life. It's been my entire life of doing this. We are always ahead for technology. NVIDIA, everybody's like, man, it's crazy. Some of the people that I'm following on TikTok, they're like, trim all the NVIDIA, sells that. I'm like, oh my gosh, what are you telling them that for? This is like the infant stages of NVIDIA. This isn't the high end. We're not at the ceiling of NVIDIA. We're at the freaking infant stages right now, right? They're like, take some off. This is the ceiling. And then I saw another video. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe it's not the ceiling. Well, no shit, Sherlock. This is the start. Oh, you guys are killing me. Man, that's it. Everybody, you better start getting your news at American Dream Trading, and then you can look everywhere else. You understand me?
And then
you can go anywhere else you want. I don't care, but at least start here. Start with the real deal, right? Come on. Oh, you guys are killing me. Love your faces. I'm excited. I remember when the 401ks and people were freaking out and messaging me and what do I do? Should I sell now? I'm like, hell no. What are you talking about? Give it a moment. Let this tariff news blow over. Everybody calm down, man. This is how they get things to crash and do the things they want, right? They were buying everything at a damn discount. All of your 401ks are higher than they've ever been now, right?
Coach, when that happened, I actually increased my
Yeah,
position
didn't I
size.
say? I said add, right? This is a beautiful time to add. Nothing has changed, right? Add. I remember when Rona hit, right? When all that was a big deal, COVID and all that. Everybody was freaking out then. I said, stop. This is a great time to be buying. When everybody else is running, it's the best time for you to be scooping up super deals, unless, of course, the companies or whatever you're following, they're not tracking well, they're doing stupid things. Other than that, the market overall always goes up. I say that every day. So what are you guys all panicking for? Stop. We'll have like 2 red days in a row, and you're like, should I sell everything? Good job, though, everybody. Stay the course. Listen, before we get too ahead of ourselves here, before Coach goes off on his crazy tangents like I like to do every now and then, it's because I'm trying to keep you all in check, in case you haven't noticed. I don't make any sales, by the way, when all I'm preaching is listen to the sound of my voice. It doesn't do anything, but it's for the people that are here. You need to start listening, right? There's been so many golden nuggets flying out of this room, not just myself, but other people like Palm and other people that, right, with Open and all the other stuff that's out here. Start listening to what we're saying. There's a reason why we are where we're at, right? Okay. Real quick, I want to thank my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, Diesel Dam, Mountain Man, and Juan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching on all the things. We are live on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, Twitter, Kick, Rumble, OF, Craigslist, MySpace, Morse code, AOL dial-up, Gorillagram.
Did you say OF?
Yes. And all the things.
Is Nana up in there?
Oh, no. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. All right. Everybody be cool. We're going to have another amazing day. Remember to follow all of my rules. You don't get to cherry pick the rules, by the way. You must follow all of them. Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, take the next 30 to 60 days off. If you're a new trader, paper trade, simulate trade only while you are in training. Do not, I repeat, do not use real money. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure you go in with small position sizes. That will allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. Make sure you're journaling every day. And if you're looking at what to trade to begin with, should be shares over options and crypto and futures and all the other things. So stick around with me. I will walk you through everything that we do. Doesn't matter market conditions, up, down, sideways. I don't care. I have traded through every stock market condition for over the last 3 decades. I really don't, as my old man would say, I don't give a rat's ass what this market does, right? We can trade through anything, and we have. Think about what we've been through in the last 3 years that I've been live every single day. We've traded through some ridiculous, crazy, earth-shattering, largest stock market pullbacks in history. And here we are today, stocks all-time high. So everybody be cool. You've come to the right place. If you've ever been interested, ever, in trading in the stock market or investments or your 401ks or your Roths or your IRAs or anything else, if you've ever been interested in anything that has to do with the stock market, if this is your first day or your 50th year, you have come to the right place. Appreciate you. Yes, Tesla was popping off earlier. Yep, we discussed that. Absolutely. Listen, if you are a premium member, you've already got your hot stock picks. We've already posted all the pre-market setup where we'll have all of those key critical areas you can use at the bell and throughout the day, right? All of that stuff is posted. We've already posted the IPOs, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, we've already posted them. You are all set. And if you're a premium member, you've been working with us since 8:45 until 4 o'clock every single day. If you're a VIP member, you'll work with us for 12 hours a day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day. We are the only ones in history to do this much training and education for all of you. If you guys are interested in joining us at any time, by the way, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Put that together. What is that? Ba-ting! There you go. Go there. Do the things. You guys can sign up for that premium for free for a week. Crypto free for a week. Futures free for a week. You'll get immediate access. No delay. None of that free crap you guys are getting. You're not even getting 1% of what we do here. Not even 1% of what we do are you watching over on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, Rumble, TikTok, X, all the things. You're not getting nothing. You're getting nothing of what we do. Come over and join us. Appreciate you. If you want to get access to all of our membership services, get the Diamond membership. We've got that on sale for $5,000. It gets you access to everything that we have here over at American Dream Trading for all of our membership services. We appreciate you all being here. It's 9:15. We've got about 14 minutes, give or take, to the bell. Nobody go rogue today. Enjoy Life Today says, why do you think options is not best? I never said it is not best. What I said is if you are a new trader, you do not want to start with options because you're not going to understand anything at all that has to do with options. When a share price goes up, that does not mean an option price will go up with it, even if you're in a call. It has nothing to do with it at all. It is all determined by the Greeks. So again, it will already be confusing. So you don't start in confusion. We start in simplicity and we build upon it. My strategies here at American Dream Trading, the reason why we are the most profitable stock market training community that has ever existed in history is because of KISS. Keep it simple and stupid. That is how we do it. That is how I trained athletes all the way up to the professional level, and including in this room, everybody I'm working with. This is also how I have trained people that were billionaires on doing the things that they've done in life. This is exactly how right here. Everybody has the training in here that can take you to the next level. This is going to be hard and challenging. This is not easy. Most of you will quit before you succeed. Let's be honest. Most of you will tuck your tails and run when it gets hard. Most of you do not have the grit that it takes to push through when it gets hard. But I can tell you this. If you want to be great, if you want to be the best that you can be, you need to stop quitting. You're done. You're in the right place at the right time with the right trainers, the right community, the right moderators, the right company, the right vision, the right focus. You are here now. There's a reason God put you in my little stream today. Today is the first day of your brand new life. But you have to have the will, the drive, the fortitude to get through this. It's going to be very hard. It's going to challenge you in ways you've never been challenged before. But if you're able to hang on and you're willing to fight through this and learn everything you can from us here at American Dream Trading, this could change your life. Speaking of life-changing events, we had a brand new American Dream Trading personal record for a single trading session. Now listen, again, before you get ideas of grandeur and like, I'm going to be able to make $1 million right away. No, you're not. You're not. This is very challenging. It's very hard. The people I have worked with, they have been here for years to be able to make these millions of dollars. Okay, this is not going to be easy. So don't think you're going to come in here with $20 and be like, I'm going to turn this into $10 million next week. It's not how this works. Okay, so when you hear these big numbers, the success stories, right? Over 250 people retiring, over $300 million in profits, all these things that you will hear, it is from hard work in the last 3 years of people doing the things that they have done. One of our members yesterday in a single trading session, that is a same day session, before our record started, right? Think about this. Before the record was $1 million, then it was 5.6 million, then it was 11 million. Yesterday, we have a brand new American Dream Trading one person personal record. $25,177,608.37 in a single trading session.
Hell yeah.
I'm telling you, what we're doing here at American Dream Trading has never in the history of stock market education been done before. I've been saying that every day. Since the day we walked in the door, we have been breaking world records. And then we just did another one. We have the greatest stock market and futures traders the world has ever seen before. And they were all created right here at American Dream Trading. It's absolutely amazing what we're doing over here. So thank you again, everybody, for tuning in. I know some of the numbers are ridiculous, right? And we don't talk about those all the time. Listen, we've got people in here. You make $20, I'm happy for you, right? I'm sure the hell going to be happy for you when you make 25 million, but I'm happy if you guys make 20 bucks. If you guys made $16 in your paper trading account, I will be just as excited. I'm telling you, it's about the progress. It's about sticking to a plan. Follow the rules, stick to the strategies. All I ask when you come in here is empty your cup. Listen to what we're doing. Listen to why we are so successful in this room. We are a community that cares. Hell, my entire motto, my company's motto is people helping people. It's not making money through the stock market and education. I don't give a shit about any of that. Making money is a side effect of doing what we do, right? This is a community of like-minded individuals all trying to build each other up and be the light in the world. That is who we are here at American Dream Trading. I appreciate you all being here on this amazing, fantastic journey. It has been one hell of a ride. Tonight, make sure, please, make sure you guys stick around and go to the aftermarket at 4 o'clock tonight, 4 o'clock on YouTube, aftermarket. It is our 500th show tonight. We're going to do lots of giveaways. Be over there, okay? I appreciate that. Alonzo says, yesterday I got 47 each day. Keeps getting better with you, man. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Great job. I'm very proud of all of you here. I am. I try to say that as much as I can. You know, as much as I put my foot in your butts to make sure you're going in the right direction, I always want to make sure you guys also get praise. And I try to do it as much and as often as I can. Everybody that's in the room, right? There will be over 300 people by the time the bell rings in my Zoom. There'll be hundreds of people watching us live around the world. I appreciate all of you being here, spending the time. I know you guys could be watching anything. I know there's a hell of a lot better looking and maybe, I don't know, maybe more entertaining people to watch, right? Maybe. I don't know.
No, there's not, Coach.
Maybe not
No,
the entertainment.
no.
Yeah, I'll toot my horn on that. Probably not the entertainment, right? Probably not the entertainment, but still much better
Nobody even
looking.
close.
Yeah, younger, cooler, look hip, you know, all the things. I get it. So I appreciate you all tuning in every single day. It's been one hell of a ride. It's 9:23. We got a little bit of time here to go. Again, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Yesterday we did a giveaway for one of our free members that was watching. Are they in here now with us? Is our free member here with us now? I know we did somebody was their birthday and we gave them a free membership. I just want to make sure they're in the Zoom here taking advantage of this free training. Hopefully they are.
I don't see them yet.
No? Okay. Listen, gang, when we do those giveaways, please, please take advantage of that time. Don't just look at it like it was free, so what does it matter? It matters, right? I want you guys to appreciate that. We've given away millions of dollars in free services, discounted prices, right? GoFundMes, donations, helping people, right? Boots on the ground, all the stuff. So I appreciate everybody being here. Let's just keep up this positive energy. It's absolutely amazing. I haven't mentioned it yet. My moderators don't even know it, but I had a big meeting yesterday for our new marketing company. That's coming. Moderators, I'll talk to you about that soon. That's a go. That's happening. So we got some exciting stuff coming up. I'm glad you're all here. Appreciate you. Bruno, I would have invited you to that, but it was literally last minute because we thought it was going to be canceled. And then they're like, hey, are you ready to go live? So it was literally within 1 minute. It was like, oh, I guess so. Usually I try to put you in those, but this was like, we had it on and then nothing happened. I didn't get any emails, nothing on. They're like, you ready? I'm like, no, I didn't get anything. So it was like, we got to go. There's no time. So, all right. But anyways, go ahead.
Just got in late. So, I got the pre-market early this morning. I had to go run something. Is it consensus across the board, Coach, up or down day? You usually just kind of say something like that.
Yeah, we never discuss up or down days. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Can you tell me why?
Because it can go either way. We make money both ways.
That's right. Because if you have a bias going into a trade, you're not going to be able to trade well. Think about this yesterday. I talked about this in the VIP this morning. Could you imagine if everybody had the bias that the stock market is going to crash because the imminent closure of the government? And yesterday,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and yesterday it went long all day. This is why we don't care, and I don't ever have a consensus. I think it's going to go up. I don't give a shit. That's why we don't use the VIX in here. If the VIX numbers show that, I don't give a shit. None of that means shit. Excuse my language. Don, put a bunch of money in the tip jar today. Thank you. Okay? We don't care about none of that. Thank you. Appreciate you. Right? And then the other thing is, here's the other issue with that. 3 minutes to the bell. If there is any type of news at all, it will override everything. Everything can crash or shoot to the moon off of one news conference that was unexpected, one event, one conflict overseas, one anything changes everything. And if you're like, I'm loading the boat, this had good news, and then boom, shakalaka. Face ripped.
You should never do that. Yeah.
Face ripped. You're living in a box on the street going, I don't know what happened. Right?
Living in a van down by the river.
Exactly. Right?
That's why somehow I don't really care about the news, because it just messed up with your brain.
Hold on, everybody. Hold on. You guys got to hold on. Let me see if this is tracking. Okay, the camera's tracking. Everybody watch YouTube. I'm going to see if we can get a...
Yeah, it's tracking you.
All right, you guys, hold on. I'm going to see if you can get a shot of my old puppers. Hold on, she's just chilling. Hold on, we'll see if this can follow. Hold on, everybody, watch. See if we can get a shot of her. Can you guys see her?
Is everybody's tracking?
We'll see if you guys can see that in a second.
I think you have to be on YouTube.
Yeah, you have to be on YouTube always. Did you guys see it? There's a delay. You'll see it in a minute.
Yeah, we saw it on TikTok.
Did you guys see her? Look at her down there. She's crashed out. All right. She's ready.
By the way, you look
look at the baby.
Coach, you're so skinny now.
Thank
You
you,
look
Nana.
so good.
It's so I can be cool like you, the naked trader, right?
I gotta change the name. I forgot.
All right, let's see. We've got a minute. We've got 1 minute to the bell. Now, listen, I'm not going to be here all day. If I have to dip out early, I have to dip out. I've got some furniture coming into this office. I don't know if it's going to be here, but I got tons of errands and everything. My wife's at jury duty today, so I've got to like take care of all the things going on. This is why I have her do all the stuff, and now I've got to do it. So I'm going to have to sue the government because they took my amazing, beautiful wife away, and now I got to do stuff. I'm not happy about it. I'm not
Gotta
happy
do
about
it.
Yeah, not happy about it. I don't like it. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I know the bell's gonna ring in 15 seconds. Hold on. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Let's rock and roll. Nobody go rogue today. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got over here. I should be on the right proper stock. There we go. Oh my gosh, I missed that whole beautiful thing. The whole big crash out. Ran up.
Missed the pullback, huh?
Yes, as I got a damn message. What does it always do when it runs up in the pre-market? Pulls back at the open. Oh my gosh, that would have been such an amazing pull. Did anybody get that pull at the open like we talk about every single day?
I did.
I did, boss.
Thank you. Appreciate you. All right.
Amazon is having a big pullback.
All right, thank you.
Melody.
Thank you. Apple 2-minute EWO upside. Apple 2-minute EWO upside. Just be careful because it was up in the pre-market. So looking for a pullback here. We'll see. All
Nvidia is going. Nvidia. I don't know if you're going.
Nvidia is doing what?
It's going up.
Like
Yeah, you can check. Yeah, I don't.
new high day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
Higher day, yeah.
So it broke pre-market levels too. Okay, great.
Yes.
Thank you.
Nvidia first green 2-minute EWL.
Perfect call out. Thank you.
Microsoft first red EWO,
Thank you.
as well as Tesla and SPY.
Thank you. Let's check the Qs. Remember, the Qs is a bigger picture of all of those tech stocks. Qs are down right now.
Amazon is a beautiful thing to the downside, by the way.
Thank you. SPY also here struggle busing at this level. SPY is
Apple
just
new high day.
Thank you. SPY is just hovering around the 640.50 area. We'll see. Qs are still to the downside.
Intel new high day, looking strong.
Thank you. INTC, new high a day. Thank you.
Microsoft new high day.
Thank you.
Oh,
Spies.
double top to be exact.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you. Qs are still pulling. SPY still flat. SPY's trying to make a move here to the upside. Looking for that break of 670, 63 will be my first level. Well, 75 is pre-market high, so let's watch for that. See if we can get new high. Let me check on Apple. Apple 2-minute EWO still to the upside. Had a major sell-off at 257.30 though, right? Like it likes to pop in the beginning and then pull, right? Wow, that was a terrible fill, but okay. That was a nasty fill. Did you guys see that fill I got? Wow. I would have made some serious cash off that. SPY all the way back down here now. Hovering around the 200 here.
Tesla double bottom.
Thank you. Apple, huge crash. Like I said, you got to be careful. Apple loves to pop in the beginning and then rip. Thank you, everybody, for being here, by the way. Appreciate you. Apple on a major level of support around this 40. Breaks through that. That's going to tank hard. Apple's now at close of day yesterday.
NVIDIA, big bounce off of VWAP.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, SPY. I'm looking for a push here now. Looking for a push. See if it's got one. Checking the Qs. Qs are still pulling. Wow. Still, everything's still pulling here as far as the Qs and SPY goes. Same with my NASDAQ over here that I'm trading. Yeah, day trade, it's been doing that quite a bit recently.
Tesla's still pulling.
Is it? Okay, thank you. SPY just sitting at this critical level still, trying to teeter here, but it's still to the downside. See if this got a little bit more to give. There we go. There's 1,000. 1,400. Nice, 1,500. Notice I'm moving my stop. 1,600. Boom, I'll take it. $1,300 trade. Good job. All right, SPY still to the downside here. Testing that 200. Qs are still to the downside. Microsoft hit 521.60 and pulled back. Tesla's still pulling back. Tesla, I saw their sales were down like 25% in car registrations. So I was expecting Tesla to pull back, and then it ran and it popped up in the pre-market. I was like, oh, okay. Oh, SPY right here breaking a major level.
Tesla's on support from yesterday's high a day.
Oh, perfect. Good call out. All right, we're at a micro double bottom at the open right here. Longing it. The tight stop. Stopped out. Probably too tight of a stop. This is a micro double bottom from the open. I'm gonna move this right there. If it breaks through that, I'm gonna short that. Shorting, got in a little early. There it goes. Yep, that's the payday. Nice.
Oh boy.
Nice. Another $1,000 right there. You guys watch how I did that? Okay, great. That's nice. Do you believe in magic? Yeah, you do.
We believe in Coach.
Appreciate you. Look at this. Beautiful pullback. Woo-wee.
Yeah, this is a nice ride.
Yes. Next level of support I've got on SPY is 669.37 ish. Please be careful right here. This is off this pre-market. Should be a bounce zone. Marking this on my NQ as well. Breaks through that, I will short it again. See right where it stalled out? Mm-hmm. Oh, is it going to go again? It's got a big gap to fill below this. Anybody got support below that?
Guys.
Shorting
Oh
again.
my gosh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, this is an account changing day.
668.59.
Okay, I'll ask that again in a minute. Stopped out.
Yes, Sam. 9% total account.
Nice job. Good job. Still heavy. Look at it.
Oh, baby.
It's another 800. Yeah, I want it to bleed out. I want it to come all the way to close the day yesterday. So we got about another 80 cents. I would love to see that. Wow, this thing has got so much downside momentum.
There's a mini support from pre-market that's 669.13, but it seems it's gonna go through that.
We'll see.
Splitting. And there's nothing after that. Phew.
That's what I said. It's massive gap. Oh, there we go.
Oh, baby.
Everybody in this room should be making more money than you've ever seen in your lives. If you're not,
Let it
I don't know what we're
burn.
doing in here, right? If you're not, you aren't listening to anything. I almost swore, Bruno. It was so close. Bruno put $5 in the tip jar because I almost swore. Thank you.
Apple's bounced a little bit, headed up.
Thank you. This is glorious. It's glorious. 58 cents still to close the day. Don't forget, you guys want to scoop up one of those memberships, americandreamtrading.com. You can get in here. There's 330 people in my live Zoom. You guys are not getting anything at all over there on the free side. I'm telling you, get your butts over here, americandreamtrading.com. Do it now. Previous day close was 668.45 on SPY. Good job, day trade.
I'm hoping there's some share traders in TSLQ today. You're killing it if you are.
For sure.
I'm in it.
Good
Nice job.
Good job. Still got a ways to go. Is it going to get there? Oh, did it just tap it? 668.45. 45.
Meta just shoot it straight up to new high day and above. I think it took SPY with it.
Yeah, SPY is close to previous day close. See it?
Yeah.
It was 40 cents off. What a run, everybody, right? Stopped out. Let's see if this was the breathe back or the rebound, right, for reversal. We're on the 9. I'm going to short it here. Oh, my stop is too tight for that. Damn it. That was my fault.
Damn it, Johnny.
Damn it. This continues to run here. And I'll look at longing it, but just be careful, right? If you're trying to long this, you're going against the grain, but we did have that rebound up there. We'll see. This is still technically on this 9. Try to short this one more time. Looking to see if this is going to pull back. Oh, I'm right on the ceiling here with the stop. Oof. I'll let this breathe. I'm going to open this up just a little bit. Looking for this to pull here. Flipping to a
Coach
2
Mara
minute.
is new high a day.
Thank you. Flipping to a 2 minute so I can get more on my chart. Just looking to see if we're going to get a pullback on this 9 or not. In the green. Come on, baby. Pull harder so I can protect this trade. That's it. Oh. Made 200 bucks. That wasn't enough. I wanted to protect that trade so it'll drop out and then not have any risk, but just too tight of a stop there. Still looking for this to pull off this 9 to go to the downside again. Yep. I had too tight of a stop. Did exactly what I wanted, just too tight. Nice. So there's the payday though.
Yeah, it dropped like it's hot right there.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, baby.
Yep, that's nice.
That was beautiful, Coach. Wow.
It was looking a little sketchy there for a second.
Yeah, I was with all of you, right? But did everybody ride that roller coaster with me off the 9?
Yeah,
Super exciting.
Yep.
Coach, even though you got stopped out, you still said it was going to drop. It still
I
was heavy.
did.
Thank you.
I jumped back in it too, right? So my commitment was still there. I went back in it. I made $2,000 off it, so
I'm not crying then for you.
Yeah. I went right back in it. You guys saw that, right?
Will this be double bottom?
Micro
down?
double bottom, yep. From the open, but it's got a lot of momentum downside. Just be careful here. Micro double bottom. And it still has 688.46 was previous, or 45 was previous day close, right? Good job, everybody. Way to not get shaked off that 9. Woo! Love my job.
I was sweating.
Yes. I like to say I'm doing great today, but I've been up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm only up 550 bucks out of all the madness just because of those 3 stopped outs, right? It's like ding, 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 ding. Who hit that micro double bottom? At least sold off on that spot, right?
Yeah. It looks like we have support kind of at 669.
Yeah, we do at 668.45. It's hit it multiple times now, right? So we're looking for the break there. That was a nice push off that 9. Did you guys see that candle?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
2.6 my total account. I'm going to call it a day.
Nice job, partner. Have a blessed day, huh?
Coach, I have a gold level right where NQ is, right where you're at right now.
Is it? Okay. 25.
I have one.
020.
25. I have it at 25. 25.50.
I'll mark it now. Thank you.
I'm sorry, 25, 26.75 is where my gold level is.
Thank
It
you.
just broke it.
All right. Thank you. Stopped out. That micro double bottom, that's 668, 85-ish here I've got marked. Now, last time it went up, it tapped this 9. It pulled right back down to a test. See what it's going to do here. That 9 is shrinking down to close the day yesterday. Not in anything yet. This time it's pushing to the 21. Do you guys see the pattern change?
Yes.
I got the macro double bottom. Thank you, Coach.
Oh, great. Oh, my gosh. Good job. You guys are paying attention in here. Damn it.
Same.
Love it when a plan comes together. Doesn't that feel good?
And I
Yes,
took
sir.
it right there on the 21.
Oh my God. I'm out of here. You don't even need me anymore. I'm done. That's it. You don't even need me. Crushing it. Watching for a pullback here now off this 21. Shorting it. $350, $400. Stopped out, took
Just be
200.
careful because Apple and Google are going towards the upside. So
All right, thank
just
you.
careful.
Yep, thank you. Shorted it, only got a couple bucks. Good thing I had that stop though, right? I made a couple bucks.
Yeah.
We're back to VWAP. Off that micro double bottom. Now, VIP members, you had training this morning on this exact move, right? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
We got the cheat code, coach.
Yeah, you did. Shorting it again right here. Off the 9. Protected my trade. There it goes.
A plus setup.
Yep, 1500. Boom, I'll take it. All right. Nice. Now this came down here fast, so I'm looking for a pull at this point, but just remember, still coming down to support again. 660, 885-ish is support. I'm going to try one more time here.
Yeah, that's a gold line on NQ.
Exactly. That's why I'm going to try one more time to short this down here. I'm going to wait, though. I want to wait this time till it breaks and holds through that level. Last time I tried to do it, right, and it went through it, shot right back up, made $200. This time I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient.
It's going back.
Good job, everybody. Now, SPY again sitting at support, 668.85. Same drill. By the way, there's zero excuse for all of you to not have a diamond membership. You have no excuses. If you are one of the 340 people in here and you do not have a diamond membership, open a ticket. Let's find out why. We got payment plans, payment arrangements, multiple payment options, multiple cards. We can do whatever you need. What are you waiting on? You had a big trading day today. Invest in yourself. Invest in your future. Appreciate you all being here. Thank you so much. Come on, baby. Pull. Come on. I'm going to flip this. I think 2 minutes. Okay, right now. Using the 2 minute because it's giving me more chart. And if it starts to really go my way, I'll flip it to a 5 and just let it go, right? There's that
How
bounce.
long will you let it go, coach? How long?
It just depends on what it does. There's that bounce. That is a triple bottom at exactly 668.85 support level. Yes? Look at that. I mean, isn't that exactly right on the damn penny?
I caught it, boss.
Yep.
Thanks.
Nice job. Calls on support and puts on resistance, right?
Until it shows me something different.
That's right. Here's the 21.
Shift change, just a few seconds.
Thank you. Shift change coming up. Thank you. Good call. Now, right here, what I'm doing is I'm waiting to see if it's going to pull back off the 21 or if it's going to ride to VWAP. 30 seconds to shift change, 30 seconds to more volume coming in, okay? Ten seconds. Good job, everybody. Hang in there. 3, 2, 1, volume. Previous day high was 669.37, by the way, if you guys remember. So that's also why that's a sticking point. So far, it's showing me it's pulling back off the 21. Shorting it. Did you guys catch that? My stop did not go into effect. Did you watch it?
I didn't see it, boss.
Yep, it must have been too tight to the actual price. It costed me, it costed me $700 because that stop did not trigger. I think when I moved my stop, I put it too close to what the actual price was, so it did not take effect. Costed me $700. Wah, wah. Don't move your stop too close to the price, right?
I've done it so many times, boss.
Yep. All right, looking for a pullback here again. Being patient. This NASDAQ is showing me something different. NASDAQ's actually climbing. Yeah, SPY is using that 669.37 as resistance.
Seems like we're getting lower highs on SPY, boss.
That is correct. Yep, there we go. Come on. I want to do the same on my trade, but I've got to wait till this breaks this 9. I want to short this here.
Yes, come on.
But I got to
Come
wait.
on.
Stopped out.
AMD first green EWL.
Thank you. Shorting again. Hopefully. Damn it, stopped out again. That put me in the red, $500.
You gotta wait for, you're in the middle of the channel, coach. If you look at it, you gotta wait
Yeah,
to
yeah, I
break
know, but
one
if
way or
it's-
another at that point.
I know. Thanks, Nana. That if it's gonna break here though, we're gonna get a huge dump. So I keep trying to get this trade, but you're right. I need to be more patient. Getting greedy.
Especially for the downside.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna go above 669.50 or below 669, 668, 85. One or the other.
669.37 is resistance, and then we've got VWAP right above it.
Yeah.
NVIDIA is trying to stay above VWAP right now.
Let me take a look. Yep, I see. Let me
Apple
check
2-minute EWO to the upside.
Thank you. Checking the Qs too. We're trying to get the Qs are kind of getting a mini boot. Nothing major yet.
Man, I'm getting slapped around by SPY here. It's pissing me off.
Yeah, it's taken me 2 times in a row here, so we'll see right here. Just waiting on this key area, the 669.37. Now remember yesterday it was 669.33-ish. It was around the same spot. All right, right here, let's see. This is going to tell us everything if this breaks VWAP or not. If not, this is going to flush and make a new low. HX Trader says it needs to go up. Listen, the momentum is to the downside. It's getting really close to if it's going to drop, it'll do it. Otherwise, be patient. I'm shorting this spot. I'm going to move my stop up here.
It's doing the same thing over and over.
Yep.
It touched 665.50 and pulled back.
Yep. There we go. There's 1,000. Bye-bye. Go on. I knew if you couldn't hold VWAP, your lights out. Get out of my life. Go. Go. You're gone. I just sank your battleship. Bye. Don't be hovering around here. Get out of here. You got more.
And then it's gonna touch
Go on.
69.85
Go.
and you're gonna do the upside.
Go.
Hold on, Nana.
You got more.
Give it to me
Go.
more.
Hey, coach, can you be quiet? I want to hear to the naked trader.
Damn it. Damn it. Had more to go. I kept my stop tight though, because if it's going to bounce, I kept doing it off the same spot, but I did get it for...
IWN did what you wanted SPY to do.
Absolutely. Big time. Yep. I got $1,200 out of it, put me back in the green. I'll take it. Right up to VWAP and yanked, right? Whoosh. I just shouldn't have been goofing around, diddling in the middle. Right, Naked Trader? Should not have been diddling in the middle.
That's why you have her to tell you what to do.
I love it. Oh, that's great. All right, come on. Same area where it stalls out. Look at all this traffic down here. Wow. Look at this. Look how much crap is in SPY down here. Look at that.
Still call some support, right, coach?
That's right. 668.85 was support, so you got to really be careful of that spot.
It just feels heavy though, man.
It's
I'm
all
sitting there
downside
too.
momentum. Absolutely. It's still downside momentum. That's why I say if you guys are trying, right, to go long on a stock that's overall for the day down, you're going against the grain, right?
That's right.
Yeah, but Nvidia and Google are going to the upside.
I don't care about
Apple
that.
is
I don't care
Apple,
about
Meta,
that.
and Tesla is on shop zone.
I don't give a crap about
Be
that.
careful.
Google's looking strong.
Thank you.
Yeah, it does. So
let me check the cues too. Yep. Thank you. Come on, stop pissing on my parade. I want SPY to crash. I want SPY to crash.
Denial's
Hey,
not
Coach.
just the river.
Deny.
Leave the bias at the door. Do I
La,
need
la,
to
la,
remind
la,
you
la,
you're on
la,
roll,
la,
Coach?
I can't hear you.
Love you.
Love your face.
Anna's breaking out all the sayings.
Come on, kiss me, baby.
You just gotta wait for the right setup right here.
Yep, it looks like it's about
It's
to
almost
happen.
there.
It's about to happen.
Yep.
I think the right setup was just check trading it up and down right in there for a while.
Yep, exactly. Hitting VWAP to the bottom. VWAP to the bottom, right? There we go. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. There it is again. 668.85. Touched again, didn't it? I'm not longing that, just so you know. Normally we long support. I'm not doing that. You hear the sound of my voice?
Short, baby.
Yeah, there's just not enough meat on the bones. Not with a 9 is sitting on top of its head, right? I don't care if that bounces. I'm not longing that. There's not enough meat on the bones. That should have bounced. This means this could have a great opportunity to drop. Waiting. Oh my gosh, look where the 9's at.
Here it goes.
Yep, shorting it. My stop did not work again. Damn it, too tight. Protected the trade, but I think I'm going to lose the big run on that because I tried to protect the trade too much. There it goes. Bye-bye. You see why I did not long at that time? Huh?
Nailed it. Thank you, Coach.
Dude, I was sweating it. I was waiting it out.
Yes. Yes. Get that money.
$510.
Good job. I got stopped out, but I was excited for you guys.
Great call, Coach, again. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Good
Right
job.
at previous day close.
Yep,
And it
previous day
stopped
close.
right at 658.56, like I said.
Yep, I had
I had to ride out that triple top.
Yep, remember I told you guys previous day close was 688.45. It hit 47 and bounced, right? Look at my screen. See this? Sitting at 46. It was off.
That's exactly where my line 47.
Yep, I was off by a penny. This guy's terrible.
Darn it.
He's a loser. Loser.
As soon as it tapped it, I was gone.
Yep. Great job.
Yeah, Coach, you know how it is. Everybody should be saying to the moon or something like that.
Right. Right. Oh, that's great. Listen, everybody, go to americandreamtrading.com. Go over there right now. americandreamtrading.com. Join the community. It's absolutely free. Do it. Do it now. It's amazing. It's amazing. Who's making money today, by the way?
Me, Coach.
Thank
I
you.
did, Coach.
Me.
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 Good job. Good job. Now I'm waiting for the next setup. If you were a genius and you got in on the bounce on 668.46, good job. Just remember tight stop. I want you guys to think about this. Every time you go long, you're going against the grain, right?
Yep.
So even if it's double bottoms and all the, perfect setup, you're still going against the grain. It's still more dangerous. The overall trend is down. Okay, so if you're like, well, I only want to click a single button, then it should be puts today. As far as right now, right? Not today, but right now, okay? BNB says, I'm up 8.7% on my account this morning. Great job. Congratulations. Thank you for being here. Good job. If you're just now tuning in, by the way, yesterday we had one of our personal record bests for one of our members, over $25 million in a single trading session yesterday for one of our members here. Congratulations. Names not mentioned.
Wow.
Hey, what? 25?
25 million, brand new
25
record.
mil.
Yep. Don't say any names. Thank
Wow.
you. No names.
That'd be some life-changing cash.
The number to be exact was $25,177,608.37.
This is insanity.
That's what we do. That's American Dream Trading, right? Record before that was 11 million. Record before that was 5.6 million. And then, of course, we've had tons of people make $1 million in a single trading session. But yep, $25 million in a single day. Good job.
That's really crazy when you think about it. What would you do with 25 mil? That's, you can retire.
I'd buy the
I'll
coach.
figure it out.
I'd buy
I would
the
buy you
coach
some
a
clothes,
private
Nana.
jet so that he can fly and see me once a week. I would. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm
Get a
buying my
150
own
footer
cruise
on the
ship
ocean.
and
Yep.
living on it.
Yep. I'd buy a little addition to the house and put coach's name on it so whenever he's in the region can stay at the house.
Johan said he would buy Nana some clothes.
Thank you. You guys like the way I kept sticking myself in there in those dreams? You guys like the way I kept throwing myself into that dream package like it's Wheel of Fortune?
Yeah, that was good stuff, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. You guys are crushing it. Anybody get in the bounce? 668.46. I'm just sitting here talking about the greatness that is our members, so I'm not trading at this moment. Good job. Blake over there says, off to a great start, 155 in the individual account and 558 in the IRA. Good job. I love seeing that money go into those tax-free accounts. Those are my favorite.
That's right. And made that money yesterday sick in bed.
Oh,
Not a
nice.
bad way to spend a sick
I
day.
remember that. That's awesome. One
Coach
T.
I lost
Palantir,
9 pounds this week.
Oh, wow.
Palantir and NVIDIA are both forming a cup and handle.
All right. Thank you. 1TW says, I've almost made enough to get my membership. Nice job. You buy 1 cruises around the world. Nice. Yeah, that is life-changing money. That is beautiful. Think about that. 10% interest that you could live off is $2.5 million a year on just the interest alone, right? Without touching that money as long as you live.
Yep.
Could you guys live off of $2.5 million per year?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah, I think I can make that happen.
Yep. Could you imagine
Put it in a
using
good
that?
investment.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
That's-
could you imagine using some of that with some of the investments that I've had in this room?
Yeah, come
I
on.
mean, even
That'll turn into
1%
100.
of that is good.
Ooh.
Even 1%, I'll be
Yeah,
like,
that'd be
sign me up.
100 million, right? Off some of my calls.
Yep. That'll be $208,000 for every month.
Yeah. Oh my. S says, is your membership for beginner traders? Yes. 100%.
That would be a big 10 for.
100%.
That's where we all started, man. That's where we all started.
Exactly. Most of the millionaires you hear in this room were all beginners. What does it cost to get started? $0. I have a free weekly membership. Free weekly membership. You can get the premium, which is with me, stocks and options. You can get futures, which will be Mark and the crew over in the futures side. Or you can get a free week of crypto. Other than that, our Discord community is 100% free to start. Ebooks, flashcards, games, stock terminology, candlestick patterns, right? How-to videos. Oh, right here, looking for this pullback. I'm over here talking.
Apple looks really good to the upside.
Thank you.
Steady.
Thank you.
Don't forget about double top.
Thank you. Yep, I'm in this short. You guys like the way I went from a promoter to snatching up $1,000 in the blink of an eye?
Gotta pay the bills, baby.
Right?
Gotta pay the bills.
Boom! Daddy's got a new pair of Crocs.
Throw them stinky ones away.
Yep, they're out of here. They're history.
Gone.
Gone.
Dog won't even chew on them.
Nope. Not even worth being a chew toy. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Oh, SPY.
Yeah, Meta is pulling.
SPY, get ready. Get ready. Oh, look for a big pull. I'm going to get in this one. I'm going to open this up actually a bit. I'm going to let this, come on, open that stop. Stop's not working. That was weird. I want to open this up, let it work a little bit. Oh, damn it. Don't you, I'm not playing that stopped out game. This is a beautiful, if this stays down in this area, I'm going to put in, this stays down here. I'll short it and I'm going to open up my stop. I don't normally recommend that, but remember, we're going from green to red.
It's exactly where it is right now.
Yep. I got to give it a minute. I got stopped out, but I'm going to give this a minute. I want this.
668.50, right? This is the green to red zone.
Yeah, 668.45 was previous day close.
Yeah.
And my 1 minute candle countdown to the next candle is gone away. I don't know why.
On the right-hand side in your chart, you can put it back in there. You'll see a little clock. When you put your hand over on the right side, you'll see a little clock. Looks like a stopwatch. Click it. I'm in this. I'm going to open this stop up too. Damn. Sucker. Or not. Getting greedy and it's popping on me. Well, stop me out twice. I'll take it. I'll take it on the chin. Boy, I just wanted to see that go red so bad, didn't you guys?
Say, Coach.
Yes.
Say, man, whoever came up with this EWO strategy, man, we need to make a statue of that person.
Appreciate
I've been
you.
riding IWM down all morning.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it.
Bruh.
Just use the shedding technique with it too, right?
That's what I've been doing. I've been shedding.
Good.
And it just has been a runaway train all morning,
Oh,
man.
good for you, partner.
Thank you.
Proud of you.
I thought I saw you over there.
Nice
Darth
job.
Trader, I'm in there too.
Good job. Good
Oh,
job.
Maria, God bless you.
Good job.
This thing been.
I just snatched $170 off of it.
Oh, good job.
Oh, Donna, God bless you too. Your L2 training this morning.
Good job.
And it changed my whole.
Love
You're
it,
welcome,
man.
Thank you,
brother.
guys.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Look at this pop over here on NASDAQ. Qs, same thing. Pattern change. Look at the Qs breaking above VWAP. You see that? Everybody see that? That's interesting. Let's keep an eye on it.
Finally got the seconds to click in.
Google, Meta, and Apple are towards the upside, so I'm not
I can see it
surprised.
off the Qs, right? It's trying.
It is.
Just like this. Normally, I would be shorting this off of VWAP, but I'm going to wait a second. And that's not SPY. I'm looking at a different ticker than you guys. So if you guys are like, what? We're not on VWAP. I'm trading something completely different than what you guys are.
Yeah,
On the
I'm
one
still
you're trading,
short
I've got a
SPY.
gold at 25,097.
Do you? Okay, thank you. I'll mark it.
Where's the Apple boys?
And girls.
Printing.
I think I've made enough today. I can go play some golf.
Very nice.
Hey, Coach, I was gonna say the person that made the 25 mil is in this room, and that's why people should sign up, is they get to talk to the person, get to ask them questions sometimes, and it's incredible to be part of this program, man. Total
Thank you.
godsend. Thank you.
Yep, absolutely. Appreciate you being here. All right, shorting this now off. Now I'm shorting this off of VWAP when it got weakness.
And talk to the guy who taught him how to do it.
Yeah, right. On a daily basis. Thank you. There we go. Come on, baby. Get down there. Was that pull off of VWAP? See if that'll sit back down there. I've had multiple times I could protect the trade, but I'm trying to look for a little bit more off that. It's bouncing off the 9 and hanging around here. Yep, stop me out. I mean, this is starting to get upside momentum. You guys seeing the difference? This is completely changing here. So we're starting to get the boot. You see it on SPY?
It's also on the other one. It's also banging up against the regression, high end of regression channel.
Is it? Okay, thank you.
668 was a big deal yesterday, and it really wasn't fighting to get below it at all yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't even until the aftermarket that it landed on it.
Yeah, I'm waiting now. Now I'm looking for this to, there it goes. I was gonna say I'm looking for it to pop now. So now I'm gonna let this breathe. I don't want too tight of stops in here because you can see I've been wicked out like 3 times inside of this. So now what I've done is I've opened it up. So now I'm long side, right? I'm longing it and letting it get around VWAP. Because if we can now get a push, you're going to get big volume to come in. We'll see here and start to fight back up to VWAP. Just let it breathe. Let it work. Go in small position sizes, which will allow you to let it breathe a little bit more, right? Gosh, that came all the way down to my stop. That did not work out. All right. That was a long way to go to come back, wasn't it? Wow, I gave that took the whole candle. Look at it. Jeez. Well, tricked me into wanting to go long, didn't it? Gosh, I even gave that a ton of breathing room and it took the whole candle. Look at that. Look at this red candle. Oof.
Yeah. Pretty quick too.
Yeah, that's $1,000 right there. Yep. Absolutely.
I swear sometimes it knows exactly where your stop is.
Yeah, it came all the way to it, didn't it? Now look at it. Now it's just all downside off of this. Waiting to see if it breaks below this 9 and 21, and then I'll short it for new low a day. Because that means that VWAP couldn't hold, right? So all of this, at least what I'm trading up here, this whole VWAP area, this is fighting, right, between high or low. This can get above, right? I should have waited till that 2509, yeah, 25096, which one of our members gave me, by the way. Wait for the long up here instead of goofing around VWAP, right? Anyways, everybody head to americandreamtrading.com. americandreamtrading.com. Appreciate you. Diamond memberships, 5K. Get all of our membership services today for 5K. All of our, not some, all of our membership services today for 5K, right? Yeah, see, and that pushed right back up again, didn't it? Look at this. It just stopped me out. I gave that a lot of breathing room, too. But it went down to the 21. I just had too tight of a stop. Notice we're just sticking into the same spot now. So this right here, this is now resistance. Means now I can short it off that ceiling. Shorting it. Protecting the trade. Let it work. Nope, broke even. Boy, didn't that look like it wanted to bleed out?
Yep. I went ahead and got out just because I was like, I don't know if it's any more in it or not.
Yep. Always protect your trades. Day trade, if you're watching, always protect your trades first, right? And then let it run. And I'm trading the most volatile, most dangerous thing there is in the world to trade, by the way. That's what you guys are watching.
NQ does have a trend line support there, trending up.
Okay, thank you. Yep, I see it.
Is it more dangerous than SPX, Coach?
Yes. Well, I guess it's the same. I mean, if you think about it on both ends, SPX is also pretty dangerous. This is almost 10 times the size of SPX. Do you see it?
Yeah, I do. I see yeah.
But I mean, you're
exactly.
But you're also paying a giant premium though for SPX, so I'd put it about the same. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. And this above the 9 this time.
SPY needs to break below that.
Correct.
Stay there.
Yep.
If not, it's just going to channel back up probably. Keep
Yep.
popping.
But it went this time. It went all the way back up there and then crashed. So that's why it's more of an advantage
Yeah.
this time downside.
Can't hold.
Yep.
Yeah, if you'd have been in the 2-minute EWO from the back, way from the, you'd just be sitting here just going, okay, cool.
Oh yeah, you just be
making
chilling
money.
like a villain, right? Going, this is great.
Yeah, life's easy.
Look at this. This is nice. Like I said, it did exactly what I said, but I got stopped out on a wick. I mean, it happens though. I mean, that's trading, right?
Yeah.
Any new diamond memberships sign up today, moderators? Let me look.
That's a negative.
That's a no-go. Bruno says that's a no-go. I can't even give away this money.
People don't understand it, Coach. It's the best thing you have. I mean, it's amazing.
Appreciate
I can't
you.
imagine why, if you can afford it, there's no reason at all not to buy it.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
It's an amazing place to be in, an amazing membership.
Thank you, man. Appreciate that.
Coach, I'm sitting here trading at my house. I'm looking out on my back porch or on my yard. I have an electric lawnmower. It's so cool. I wish I could video it and show you guys.
That's awesome.
Somebody goes, what are you going to do? I said, I'm going to mow the lawn. They're like, what are you doing? I said, I'm mowing the lawn.
That's awesome.
Don't tell the
Watching.
wife.
Good
She
stuff.
knows. She knows. His name's Julio, man. He's awesome.
Oh,
He
I
takes
love
care of
that.
business.
I love that. He's getting it done.
Every 3 days, dude. Checkerboards it like a freaking baseball field.
I love it. Love it, love it. Yeah, I'm just chilling here. I know it's surreal sometimes when I stop and try to smell the roses. I'm not very good at that, but I try. It's funny, every now and then my wife and I'll go for a walk and I'll just be like, man, this is really beautiful, right? Because you're so in the mix. You don't really stop to go, wow, you know?
My kids and I, we all had a come to Jesus meeting is what we called it one time. They're like, Dad, you got to be in the moment and just chill a little bit. You don't have to be wide WFO all day long every day.
I know. It's hard, right?
I'm not built any other way.
Yeah, me neither, man. I'm so used to provider mode. It's not I don't
There's
ever
no stop.
I don't ever go into easy street relax guy mode, right? I'm always hustling, grinding more, do better. I don't have that either. Some days I wish I did, where I could just go, hey man, you're just gonna like do nothing and just let your brain just, you know.
I think it would be awesome, but I've tried it. It don't work for me.
Yeah, I can't either. I mean, look at when I go on vacations. This is why we take these like 2 and 3 day stints, and then I'm still working. And when I go to these places, I make millions. I don't have to be working while we're at a lake house. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
But I'm still like, no, I got to work. There's something in me that, you know, that coming from dirt floor poor thing will never go away. It never leaves my brain.
I'm exactly the same way, but gummies help.
Yep. I like that.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah.
And the true honesty comes out. I love it.
Yep. You know how I always laugh when I say, smoke them if you got them. I should be like, eat them if you got them.
Yep. I would do it if I thought I could regulate it. You know what I mean? I'm just like, if I eat one, I'll be like, this ain't working. I'm gonna eat another one.
Yeah. Next
thing
you're
you know, you're on the floor. Yeah.
Trying to remember to breathe.
Trying to remember your name.
Yep.
What's my name, Fred?
Yep.
When did I take the last one?
Right.
Exactly.
Where did I put that donut?
Yeah, that's awesome.
DFLI hot stock pick to the upside.
Thank
New
you.
high of today.
Thank you. It is amazing.
That's why this room is great too, though, Coach, because just like we all get in here, we're working, right? I mean, when it's time to work, we're working. But it's the monotony of breaking it up, being able to laugh at each other a little bit. It's like a community, man. It's just awesome. It's just what it is. I enjoy it. I look forward to it every morning.
It's funny too, because I mean, I've had people cancel and I've had people complain and people like, you need to just do. And I'm like, listen, man, We're human beings. We're going to swear. We're going to make stupid jokes. We're going to talk about politics, whether you like it or not. You're going to hear me talk about God and religion and praying, whether you like it or not. You guys are going to hear us do
Amen.
things, whether you like it or not. You know what? We're a community. That means people around you are going to do things you don't like. Well, guess what? Tough. Suck it up, Buttercup. That's called reality, right? We're America. We're a melting pot. You're going to get people of all walks of life. If you can't handle people of all walks of life, how are you surviving in this big world? So you're going to get the same thing here. And they're always like, you need to be more professional, less jokes, talk about stocks. Fuck that. It's my show. I do what I want. You don't like it? Go see the little kids. You guys can stare at the screen and be bored off your asses and not make any money. I don't give a rat's ass. Love your faces. Appreciate you. Don, $20 tip jar. Make it happen. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you, Don. Like that. If I'm
Already done.
Appreciate that. And by the way, I've got tons of people in here. I've got pastors. All my Christian brethren are in here, and I throw an F-bomb every now and then. You want to know why? Because they know I ain't fake in real life, right? I will pray next
We're
to
all
you.
sinners.
I will fight next to you. I will stand by your side. I will pray by your bed. I will be there when you need me. All the things. But guess what? I'm human. I'm going to swear. I'm going to say things. I'm going to do stuff. I mean, my grandfather, one of the holiest men I've ever met, not like saint and all that stuff, but always watching his P's and Q's. And every once in a while he'd get pissed and I'd hear him say like, shoot, out of his mouth. And we'd all be like, oh. We're all human beings. Get over yourselves. Love your faces. Appreciate you. We are a community. We like to have fun. We like to keep it free, let loose every now and then. And I know the restraints, every once in a while, I'm trying not to do that. I don't care. We're not hurting nobody. We're helping as many people as we can in this room. So if you're like, oh, I'm not going to watch that guy. He's not professional at all. Well, then don't. There's no skin off my ass, right? I will help you.
Change the channel.
Yeah, change the channel. You're all right. Because trust me, my pastors, I used to be, church leadership groups. I was on Christian youth boards. I was a counselor for church camps for years. You know what I mean? Of course, I watch my P's and Q's because of the environment and all the things. But other people, the adults, so they'd hear me. They knew. I'm the real one, baby. I'm not going to lie to your face about who I am. I am who I am. If you met me in real life, I am the same, as you guys know, because I've been here 3 years, but I am the same person you see, right? I'm not some personality. I am exactly who you see in real life. I'll drink a beer with you. I'll smoke a cigar with you. I will pray with you. I will be with you. We will do the things. I will help you to get the money and do the stuff and help you hopefully change your life. But I am the same person you see on this show as in real life. And I got to keep it real, right? I got to keep it honest with myself so I can do this every day.
So what you're saying, coach, is we can't just get back to the task at hand.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, yes. You know how fast I kicked that son of a gun out of this room when he said that bullshit? Do you guys remember?
Yeah, that was
I showed
hilarious.
him to the door in a half a second, gave him his money, and said, "Your money's no good here. Get the F out of here."
Sounded like he fell off about a 500-foot cliff. He goes, whee!
Oh yeah, I just booted his ass.
There went the door.
and if you think, your money is more important than in here, you're absolutely wrong. And by the way, that was an NFL player that I kicked his ass out of here. Did you guys know that?
No.
Yeah, that was an ex-NFL
Negative.
player. Yeah, I don't give a shit who you are. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what you think you are. This is my world, baby, right? I will run it the way that I see fit. I don't give a shit, NFL player or not. I've got people, man, we got so many celebrity stars, personalities, there's so many people in here, but don't come at me sideways. I promise you that. Just like in real life, it's just the same thing. I'm not the one. Sorry. Appreciate you.
That's pretty funny, Coach, because Mr. T had a talk that he got a letter from one of the major people and said, if you could really drop the bad words, it would be really good. And he said, I really tried. He goes, but somehow it isn't just the same effect.
Well, and the same thing, like you're not going to dictate what I do, right? I've seen it before with like Dana White and the UFC and some of the others who are running podcasts, and they're like, you need to do this or we're going to pull our ads. Pull your ads. right? You're the one person that's trying to dictate the way that you run your life is not the way you want it. I mean, listen, live your life. So I say it every day. As long as you're not hurting anyone, you do whatever the hell you want.
That was a great podcast, Coach. You're referencing that Dana White one. That was awesome.
Yes.
When he talking about that bike shop.
Yeah,
you know
Peloton.
what I'm talking about. Oh, you're even saying it. Okay.
Yeah. I got.
Remember
I got
Elon
3
Musk saying F
Pelotons
him?
here. He's gone, by the way. That CEO is gone, by the way.
Elon would say, "Go fuck yourself." Somebody just wrote that, but remember
It's
that?
true. Yeah, I remember
Disney?
that. Yeah, I remember
Like,
that.
Over money? What are you trying to do?
Yeah, I'm the same way. You think your money holds value to me. You are so wrong. It is not a money thing. It is a human being thing. I'm going to be who. Look at this pull, by the way.
Spy's trying to make a pull.
Yep, I got a little bit. Anyways, love your faces. We're going to always have fun in here. We're always going to keep it loose, keep it real, right? We might not be ad friendly and all that. I don't care. I'd rather help the people that want to be helped in this room, right? If you don't like it, go somewhere else. There's tons of rooms that'll sell you some sort of bot, Telegram, WhatsApp, buy and sell signals, a bunch of little kids drawing lines and dumbass shit, don't know what the hell they're talking about. Go watch them. Yeah, go watch them, right? We're in here making hundreds of millions of dollars. If you guys got to hear the coach throw an F-bomb every now and then, well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you.
Hey, Coach,
Go ahead, Michael.
Look at BTTC. It looks like it's an IPO. It opened at $6 and it's almost $14. It hosted like 4 times already.
I see it. Just be careful if you get into something like that, right? You don't want to be stuck at the ceiling, right?
Right.
Yep. There goes SPY crashing again, everybody. Glorious, right?
Coach, I just got to say, I love that we can laugh about it now, but I don't think there was a soul on this planet wanted to be the first one to say a word to you after that. When it happened.
There goes that BTTC on loose. I think it just halted again. Yeah, I just, I'm not the one. You guys know that, right? We've been doing this every day. I mean, we've been here over 5 years, but every day live for 3 years. I've only had a couple of instances where I had to smoke our own members, right? And I hate it when I have to do that, but guess what? I got no problem with it. Just like in real life, I will smoke your shit in real life too. I used to have parents that come up and complain and everything, and I'd say, hey, parking lot's over there. Get the F away from me. Go that way. I don't need to see you anymore. I'd tell my assistant coaches, you see that person? They need to be over there. I don't give a shit. Bye. Right? I got a job to do. I'm not a people pleaser. I got a job to do. You need to get the hell away from me.
Bye-bye, Spy.
I'm not the one. In real life, too, I just don't care. Bye.
Coach, I love that you speak your mind because that means you're not hiding anything from us. You're not trying to be secretive.
No.
You're out there and raw, and I love it, dude.
Appreciate
I'm here for it, man.
We need more of that, though, right? People speaking their
absolutely.
minds. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Truth is what cuts through the darkness in life, man.
I agree.
In the meantime, SPY kind of broke a double bottom.
I saw it. Yeah,
it's gonna pop, I guess now.
Yep. Yeah, that was a nice breakthrough, right? That's what we were looking for. Remember, we were looking for that 668.45 break to the downside. Because that was the previous day close. So that's what we were looking at, going from that green to red state. Yeah, how often was I in here when we had all this woke bullshit, canceled everything, and you heard me still, you're not shutting me down. I don't give a shit. Defunding people. I'm like, not on my watch, right? We're going to thank them when everybody's saying to get rid of them. We will thank them for their service, sacrifice, courage, and honor here. I don't give a shit. In the middle of that shit show storm, you guys saw me, the real, right? Not budging at all. Ever. I don't give a shit.
100%, Coach.
Yep.
Iron sharpens iron.
Yep.
Baby.
In the middle. I mean, we've been doing this 3 years. I was right in the middle of that shit show. I don't care. Nope.
That's also a number 1 trillion of why they need to sign up for ADT, because they can get that freedom to do that stuff. You know, it's like you're not owned by anybody, dude.
That's right.
Freaking awesome. Love you, Coach, man. Thank you.
Appreciate you guys. Love your faces. Appreciate you. Yeah, that was a nice little bounce. 667.71. So we'll use that as support, right? So every time it shows us a new level, make sure you draw that out. Now, I'm sure if we go to the left and look, there was probably a level there, but as it shows, you know, because I have not been charting it, I've been over here running my mouth like I do every once in a while. Sometimes you just, what's Bruno always say? Just let the old man go.
Let him roll, baby.
Just let him go. He's going to do what he's going to do. Trust me, I'm going to get yelled at by my media team for swearing, because every time we swear, all the viewership counts go shh, because every time you swear, they don't feed the machine anymore. They stop pushing content out, and I know that, and I'm still like, I'm still going to do what I want to do.
Bad boy, putting money in the tip jar, prepaying. Saying it anyway.
Yeah. Appreciate you guys. Love your
Technically,
faces.
you're not putting the money in the tip jar. It's always Don or
That's
Bruno.
right. I'm always calling out somebody else. That's right. Now listen, as you guys, as
the sins of the father.
I don't say bad words.
Now listen.
In the very beginning,
yeah,
in the show was every other word.
Yeah, that's what I'm just gonna be me forever, right?
Hey, Coach, I got
it's cleaned up
testimony
now.
for you.
Yeah, go ahead, partner. I'm listening.
Yeah. Okay. I was on another Discord, and they cussed and sweared and used the N-word all the time, or at least the guy did.
The
My wife
N-word?
comes in there and says, "Huh?
The N-word?
Yeah, not you. Another Discord I was on.
But they're doing that. Yeah.
Yeah. And my wife says, "You're not listening to that anymore." And I bumped into you. And I thought, well, at least they're a lot cleaner than that,
I
that
would
guy.
never do that. That's
so
racist shit.
That's
yeah.
actually why I came over here, is because you were better than they, and we had grandkids around and all that. So I know you guys apologize for it, but I'm a Christian conservative as well, and I try to watch the language. I try to teach my grandkids that.
Yep, same.
But like I say, he went over and he was playing music in the background with the N-word in it. And I thought, okay, I don't care how good he is. I'm not listening to it. Now, you may hate me for that, but that's just why I'm here.
I appreciate it.
I gave up that guy because I couldn't tolerate his, it was just filthy. It was back alley all the way.
Yeah, that's pushing it. That's going.
No, I let a word slide every once in a while out, and then my wife says, tries to keep me down. So I understand
my wife
all
gets
that.
on me too, partner. Trust me. She's always like, "You gotta stop." And we've been together 30 years, and she's still like, "You gotta stop doing that." I'm like, you know.
Well, yeah. She got me when my grandkids were staying over, coming into my office, and she says, "You better turn that off." I said, "Okay."
Turn it. That's why if you guys ever listen when I'm in here, I'll always go, "Hey, is there any kids in the room?" Because I'm getting ready to throw a big word, right?
Anyhow, that's just my 2 cents.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I'm not totally offended by it, but that's why I'm here, really.
Thank you. I have been trying to clean it up. I know today I kind of went off the rails, but it was more to show like, hey, I can do what I want type of thing.
Yeah. Well, at least your tip jar is probably grown in.
Yeah, it's filling up. And to circle back to that, what I was laughing about is, the rule is as a business owner to always use other people's money. Right? Like if you're going to go market something, get a loan. Don't use your money, right? If you're going to go buy a venture, a new thing, use banks' money to do it. That's why I always joke and go, Don, throw money in that tip jar. Always use other people's money.
On OPM.
Yes, always.
You're such a good teacher.
Yeah, even when we're joking around. I mean, think about it. So you guys hear me always talking about Blake. He's a friend of the family, right? Blake is my son's youth minister's daughter's husband from our church.
That's right.
But Blake also knows me in real life. He knows, right, that I was a Christian counselor and the leadership board, right, at our church and all the stuff. Like, he knows me in real life. Like, he knows I'm not just some chump. You know what I'm saying? And here he is in here listening to me swearing like a truck driver, right, as he works for Christian colleges and does all the things.
I'm in here swearing too.
Right. But you know what I mean? Like, listen, that's what I'm saying. It's you know, people around me, they know who I am. They know that I would make sure, you know, I'll give you the shirt off my back, make sure everybody's okay. And it's just, you know, it's just who I am. What you see is what you get. You guys know
Coach,
that. I've been here 3 years, man. Can't hide that for 3 years.
Coach, you can chop me down if you need to, but just a quick reminder.
Yes.
This is your channel. This
Correct.
is your business.
Right.
A reminder to all the other members, the 300 and something that are in here.
Yep.
Please watch your language, because if Coach decides to say something, it's his business. It hurts his algorithms. But if something is written on the screen or whatnot, please don't say the bad words, because at the end of the day, he has to pay for your bad words too.
That's true. And I mean, my moderators know that, right? Like my moderators are cool about it. They're always trying to watch their P's and Q's, because if I get in trouble for it, it's my own doing. You know what I mean? That's my fault. But yeah, it's not like I'm telling everybody, go crazy, act a fool. You know, yeah, we don't do that. But yes, thank you for that. By the way, I just moved one of my screens and it just freaked everything out. Hold on, I'm trying to get it back.
Yeah.
Coach, on
Yes.
a positive note,
Yes.
Ken M has done it again. If you and Miss Dawn, if y'all'd like to go check out the fun house.
Oh, let me look. I try to stay away from the fun house. You guys are ridiculous. There's nothing in there but lawsuits and pain. Let me look. That tells you how often I go in there. I'm never in there. Hold on. Let me see. I got to find it. I don't even know where the hell it's at. It tells you how often I go in there, right? Never.
Should be the very last entry. All the way down.
Yeah, I can't even find the fun house. Hold on. I've got it muted so it doesn't light up and ding, ding, ding my stuff every day. Hold on.
I know, I'm trying to find it too.
I can't find it. Yeah.
Coach, NASDAQ, double, triple, quadruple,
Oh,
quintuple.
I see it.
Oh, yeah, it's right
It's
after.
it's under beyond the
beyond
chart.
the chart.
Yep. Oh, Ken's got some. Oh, okay, I got you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we'll check it out. That's awesome.
So what are we looking for?
It looks like I made another song or something in there. You guys have to check that out.
Oh, okay.
Very cool.
Coach, good morning.
Good morning. How are you, my friend?
I'm okay. You're not allowed to say bang, bang, bang.
Yeah. Okay, done. No more.
Okay.
Yeah, no more.
No bang, bang, bang.
Yeah,
okay.
no bang, bang. Appreciate you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Listen, it's 10:56. I'm going to start to wrap up. Don't forget, tonight, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Be at the aftermarket. Excuse me. Be at the aftermarket show. It is the 500th show that Dawn has put on over there. Also, do me a favor tonight. Do me a huge favor tonight. Make sure you open up those, open your wallets. There will be a tip jar for Dawn for her 500th show, her commitment to American Dream Trading. Make sure you guys show some love if you would, please. I'll also post her, her Cash App as well over in the Traders Lounge. I'll post it over there, but come on, man. 500 shows. You know how hard that is to show up every day for 500 shows, putting up with us clowns in here doing our silliness and still being here with us. So make sure to show her
Wow.
some love.
Thank you, Coach. I appreciate that so much.
Absolutely. We'll be slamming that tip jar for sure. We'll get you that money back for all the swearing you've done, okay? And not me. And
You're
not
so
me.
crazy.
Yeah, all that you've done and not me. So
It's him, y'all. It's him.
no,
Don't buy it.
that's a bot.
He's a good salesman.
That's those bots that people are selling. Listen, real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and of course, Juan over there putting together some amazing videos. Make sure you guys check those out, by the way, over on the YouTube's. Amazing. Over 2,000 training videos to get you started, right? So please check it out. If you guys want to join us again, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you, as always, to our first responders. No one will ever stop us from saying all this. Thank you, right, to my police officers, firefighters, truck drivers. I was going to say farmers, and it really threw me off. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. Everybody, God bless. Thank you so much. Everybody, God bless. Have an amazing day. Hopefully, I'll see you guys at 4 o'clock tonight. Otherwise,
God
everybody
bless,
be
Coach.
cool and go have some fun. Anybody make any
Thank
money
you,
today?
Coach.
Hell yeah.
Yes,
Good.
Coach.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good job.
Was that a trick question?
Yes. Good job, everybody. Appreciate your faces. Have a blessed day.
Aw.